everyone. Today we're going to be making a cold process beer. So I opened it, I left it in my fridge overnight to get it a little flat, and then I took and I boiled it down to get the sugar and the alcohols out. And I took and added it to my lye solution. I've taken here and I've separated off the colors we're going to go ahead and use. So I'm going to go ahead and take the lye solution with the beer and add it to my oils. I'm going to go ahead and blend this and then I'll be back. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take and pour these off. I was using a orange, but I'm not sure that we'll get much of an orange color since the batter is so dark. I'm going to save just a little bit and put in this cup and add a little bit of titanium dioxide. Maybe get like a whitish for the top for the broth. We'll go ahead and put the rest in here. I'm going to add the titanium dioxide to this. I'm going to blend it and then I'll be back. We're going to go ahead and add our fragrance oil. I'm using Maple Pumpkin Stout fragrance by Wholesale Supplies Plus. It's a really dark color, so I'm going to go ahead and put it in, and I'm not going to add it to the top. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get our mold. I might let these set up just a minute to thicken up a little bit. I was going to use the hanger swirl. The hanger tool, I should say. Our darkest one. Okay, I'm going to let it set just 1 minute and then we'll go ahead and put the top on. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put the top on. It's thickened up a little bit. Okay, we're going to go ahead, let this set up, and then we'll be back to cut it. The beer soap is all set up, so we're going to go ahead and cut it.